Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. My name is Nima, and in this video I'm going to unbox this product, which is DJI Osmo Mobile 6, which is a smartphone stabilizer. I know it is not a music instrument and it's not related to the music. It's something that's going to help me to make better content for you, both on this channel and my other channel, which has focus on making music and music videos. So let's begin and see what's inside and how we can use this product. Well, as you can see on the back side of this box, this product has 3-axis stabilization. It is portable and foldable, and also it has a built-in extension rod which helps you to use it as a selfie stick or whatever you call it. And in addition, it has a system which is called Active Track 5.0. The whole point of this product is that to help you to make a very stable picture or video. And inside of this box, we're going to find Osmo Mobile 6. We're going to find a magnetic phone clamp 3, tripod, cable, storage pouch, and documents. So let's open the box. So this is magnetic phone clamp. It's a tripod. I just need to tell you that these are some rubbers. You can find out how to use them later. It's not important right now, but it's good that they are inside the box. Osmo Mobile 6. I believe it's better not to force it to be open. I think I should use the power button, but I think there is no power, so I'm going to charge it and then we're going to turn it on and see what happens. These are documents. It's a USB cable. And as you can see, this is the storage pouch. And not the best, but it's not bad. After I charged Osmo Mobile 6, I'm attached this tripod to the main body of Osmo Mobile 6. Um, I think you can choose this tripod as tripod, so you can put it on the ground or on the table or wherever you wanted to, so you can have your camera to be fixed. But if you are on the move, so you can use it like this, so you have a longer grip and better grip actually. And you can also use this built-in extension rod, so it may feel in the picture that you're using a drone. I'm going to show you how to attach this clip to your mobile. I use my mobile cover, so you can see there is a camera, and maybe I should remove this here. So you can see there is a camera sign, and the flash shows this this side must be towards your camera or cameras on your phone. So you can see there is a white point or dot is here. Actually, there is two, but this is the important one. And when you want to open the Osmo Mobile, you can see this lock sign, and the arrow shows us that you have to turn it clockwise. And when you have this part in front of you, you can take this arm up, and you can see there is a red sign on the screen, which means my mobile is not connected to Osmo Mobile. And you remember this white dot or point here, and you just put it like this, attach it to the point on the body. Then I turn it off with pushing the M button for a few seconds. I take the clamp off. It's like it's magnetic. And then I put this part back on the body, and I turn this part counterclockwise. When you have the DJI Mimo app installed on your phone, whenever you attach your phone to the Osmo Mobile 6, the app is going to come up automatically, and you see there is a green light here, the battery is green. And now I'm going to show you how you can use this gimbal. So first of all, there is a red button, which means that you can record the video or you can take a photo with that. The other one is with a circle on it, which means you can change between the front and back camera with one push. But if you push it twice, then your camera is going to flip. And this knob here helps you to adjust the angle of your camera. And there is another knob on the side of this gear, which helps you either to zoom in or out. But if you push it twice, then it helps you to adjust the focus of your camera. So let's talk about the modes of this gear. The first one is follow, which means that the tilt and pan axis will follow while the roll axis will be locked. And the next one is the tilt lock, which means the tilt and roll axis will be locked while the pan axis will follow. And the third one is the uh, FPV mode, which means all three axes will be follow. And the last one is the spin shot modes. There is another button on the back side. I'm not sure how it works exactly, but I know if I push it once, it helps me to track something that I want. It can be a thing, it can be a person. Just let me remove it, and now you can see wherever I go with my mobile is going, my camera is going to be focused just on one flower on the carpet that I randomly to choose to follow. And in the end, you can just turn your mobile off, you can turn the gear off, or you can also attach this tripod and put it somewhere, or you can just choose to put it in your pocket or on in the bag or wherever you want to. Anyway, um, I'm going to use it later for making a video in almost a week, and I'm learning every day how to take my shots. Um, and I don't know if, because my channel is focusing on music instrument. So if you have some question, if you want to know more about this gear, about this gimbal, write a comment down below, share this video with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and smash the like button. See you next time. Take care.